Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. A new day has come and that means it's time for a new little trick. It's day 5 and I'll be showing you a very quick trick to align all your buttons in columns that have the same height but different lengths of content inside. And I'm pretty sure that a lot of us have been struggling with this in secret and maybe you haven't found a solution yet for it. So it's time to fix this and trust me, it's never been easier. So let's just jump into Bricks. Okay, back in Bricks and we can already see what's wrong. We have the columns that are in the same height but the buttons that are not aligned properly all the way at the bottom, okay? And that comes from the fact that here the text is longer than in the second column and different than the third column. And therefore it makes it complicated to have the button aligned all the way at the bottom. A lot of people have been struggling with this. So I have a little trick for you guys. Let's just go into the builder and see what the structures do we have. So we have here the main card wrapper. Okay, so that's the block where you have the 3 columns. And here we have the 3 columns, column 1, column 2, column 3. Inside of each column, like I said, we have a wrapper for the card content, which is the div for the placeholder and the image right here. Okay. Then we have the heading and then we have the basic text. And then here under, we have the button. In this proper situation, what you could do, which is obviously not the right way, you could just simply try to get the text being the same length. So your buttons would be aligned all at the same position at the bottom. Problem is, let's say that you query that. And so each post will have different length. That means that you will always have the problem. So it will always be unaligned. All right. So how to solve this? So first we have the card, which is the full column. And then we have the content, which is the photo, the heading, and the basic text. And then outside of the content wrapper, we have the button. And on this button, and I'm doing it with a class, but you could do it just at the ID level or differently. So I'm going to select my class and I'm just going to go into the layout and look simply what's going to happen. I'm just going to write in the margin top auto and all my buttons are going directly at the bottom. So let's just go check on the front end. Isn't that great? And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It is free to join and I'd be happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Tricks for Bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!